Okay, what I'm doing here is I have put down a dolomite floor, which is basically a marble. I'm putting it over top of a heated floor. It's all Schluter products. The problem I'm having is the tiles don't match. So I'm going to smash them out and show you that it doesn't damage the floor underneath. I have 3 tiles, 1, 2, 3, that don't match all the other ones. And unfortunately we didn't notice it until after we already glued them down. So basically, I saw other videos where they put a towel over it and all, but I'm not getting the force that I need with the towel over it. This stuff's really hard. I mean, with a 2.5 pound sledge, I'm having to hit it several times before it even cracks. You can see once you break it up, the glue pretty much sticks to the tile. It comes right off the uncoupling membrane or the ditra heat pad, and the wire still looks perfect under it. So I'm not too concerned about damaging. That was my first concern, was damaging the wire. But at this point, I'm not too concerned. I mean, I still got 2 more tiles to go, but let's see. Since I didn't know what to expect on the first one, I started with the center tile because the 2 on both sides of this have to come up. Basically, they just look gray compared to all the other ones that look white. So it sucks to rip them up because they're basically $40 a tile. So there's money I'll never get back. That's basically the process. I'm just hitting it with a sledge and then prying up the little pieces that are around the wire, just so I don't, to make sure I'm not ripping the wire up with them. Because they do stick to that. The wire would be impossible to replace if I break it. I'd have to rip up the whole floor, which I am not doing. But so far, so good.